Hello, hello. Oh, nice. Good to see everybody here. My name is Charles Wen. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Project Galaxy. We're building an on-chain credential data network with plug-and-play NFT modules to help developers and organizations to build a better community and product using our infrastructure. I'm supposed to have my deck. Not sure if it works. Oh, okay, here we go. All right, so the topic today, I guess I would just sit down to make myself comfortable. So, sorry, I cannot see it. So yeah, our topic today is, my topic today is building a Web3 community with digital credentials and and NFTs. So I think a lot of people have a lot of experts here, they have a better idea. You guys probably have a better idea about how to build a Web3 community. But today, I just want to introduce maybe a new concept to you guys about how do we leverage on-chain credentials and NFTs to build a vibrant community together. So what is the credential data, right? A lot of people, that's the first question probably pop up in your head. So say on-chain data, you borrow money on DeFi protocol but never got liquidated, or you provided liquidity for a protocol at a very early stage, or say I'm an ICO participant of ETH, or I participate in DAO governance, some very important proposal that I voted for. Also, you followed by Vitalik on GitHub or Twitter. These are the off-chain credentials, right? You had a tweet liked by someone, you participated in hackathon, AMA, meetups. These are the credential data. So now the question is, what can we do with these digital credentials? So you can actually build a lot of things, not just build a better community, but also build a better product utilizing these digital credentials. So say, customize the governance. If you offer a governance that not just allow your token holders to vote, but also your core contributors, loyal users to have actual voting power. That would be great. I think a lot of communities are complaining about this, and also loyalty programs, right? See, based on what I have done, I will be rewarded for a badge or a level in my rewards in my protocol. And also credit scoring, right? We have so many different digital credentials data. Can we build a credit score model based on these data sources? And then gated community. A lot of people have already experienced that. You have to hold certain credentials in order to get access to a community. And then growth hacking campaigns, right? I reward someone for joining my community. And also Web3 LinkedIn, Sybil attack invention algorithm, and also meme NFTs. That's what we can do with these digital credentials. And we believe an aggregated layer of credential data will be one of the fundamental infrastructures in the future. So if there is an infrastructure there, allow developers to build custom apps with these features, that would be amazing. So to put it simple, what I think the most important use cases for building a Web3 community utilizing digital credentials are this. So first one, an on-chain loyalty program powered by NFTs and digital credentials. Say, I borrow $100, I get an NFT badge. That NFT badge represents level 1, right? Or after that, after I borrow, say, $1,000, I get another NFT badge, level 2, etc. And then you kind of like turn this digital credential data to on-chain loyalty program. That's a vibrant, that's an interactive experience you can offer as a loyalty program for your community. The second one is a quest-based campaign that drives user growth. So we've already seen a lot of use cases for this. For example, you have to do task A, follow my Twitter account. Task B, join my Discord. Task C, you have to retweet a tweet or something. And then combine it together. Task 4 can be an on-chain task, right? I ask you to follow my community, join my community, but also I ask you to use my protocol. So that's a quest-based campaign that can drive user growth to my protocol. And then, like I mentioned, better governance mechanism to let loyal users have more voice in the community. And the last one, exclusive benefits offer only to certain credential holders. Say, I'm a level 5, I hold this level 5 NFT. That means you will get some exclusive benefits from my community. For example, I can offer you a lower interest rate. I can offer you free whitelist to the next collection minting, etc. Right? Those are the things you can do further on top of you already built the credential-based loyalty program, and then do something more with it. So that's about Project Galaxy. So now I want to give you guys a little bit idea what we're doing, and and see how we can help on this part. And so far we actually have over 200,000 on-chain users already, and we're working with over 140 organizations, partners using Galaxy right now, and we're live on 6 EVMs and Solana. These are the protocols. A lot of them has been working with us from day one. They're like Yearn Finance, Cream Finance, Alpaca Finance, Alpha Finance, a lot of DeFi protocols. And recently, we also started to work with some Web2 companies, for example. Well, not necessarily not Web2 companies, but for example, CoinList, right? CoinList, they recently introduced, they have their in-app Karma Points program. And if you earn, say, 3,000 Karma Points, you will be eligible to get this NFTs issued on Galaxy. So that means they're bringing their off-chain user point system into an on-chain NFT, and that NFT can be dynamically updated with the loyalty points as one of the metadata. So, yeah, we've been working with so many different partners, and but basically what we are building, first of all, we provided an open and collaborative Web3 credential data network. That means anyone can contribute to this credential data network. And the format can be, I'll explain it later. But next thing is we also provided a set of plug-and-play modules for developers and individuals to better utilize this credential data to build their community or build their in-app features. The last thing is we have a dashboard just like a blog editor for developers or for marketers to build and contribute Web3 credential data, to upload credential data and also build campaigns using this dashboard permissionlessly. So these are the graph. I won't take too much time here, but the basic logic is we have data curators here. They contributed. Anyone can become the data curators, and then they contribute data from these places. For example, the graph, Twitter, Snapshot, Discord, GitHub, and then those becomes credentials, different tags on users. And then we have so many application modules, for example, the NFT program, NFT infrastructure, the gated community module, and also a customized governance voting strategy on Snapshot. You can just select that and plug in with this digital credential you already contributed, and then turn them into apps or campaigns for your users. So for users, what they can do is they can collect NFT badges, they can show off their achievements in your protocol. They can also get prioritized access to token sales. That's what CoinList did to these NFT holders. They rewarded badges to top karma points holders, and then these users will be automatically added to the priority queue on each of the future token sale. Basically, if you get added to priority queue on CoinList, that means you will have guaranteed, almost 100% guaranteed allocation from CoinList. That's a big incentive for users, right? And yeah, and then all of these apps, currently they are contributors to this data network, but they are also utilizing this credential, utilizing our modules to build their campaigns for users. So that's a simple flow chart. And a lot of people may ask, what kind of what exactly is digital credentials? What's the format? So, for example, subgraph queries, we allow, say, Uniswap, SushiSwap, they all use graph for their on-chain data source, for their on-chain data analytics. So subgraph queries, we have a template. They can just turn their data source into a simple subgraph queries and then plug in to the dashboard. On-chain snapshots, not just the CSV file, Google Sheet, anything. And you can define, you can verify your own data and then just upload it and add a tag there. Also, governance history automatically pulled from snapshot.org, POAP, some Web2 applications. We already have our Discord bot. We're also working on a Twitter bot and GitHub integration. So those are the credentials, data source that can be in this format and plug in directly to the dashboard, and you can use it. And speaking of utilizing this, currently Galaxy offers some features like NFT Launchpad, NFT Mystery Box. Say I want to only distribute NFTs to this credential holders, right? Also, Nft Forging, we allow them say I get this level, I get that, I get level 2 NFT, or I get 3 level 2 NFTs. I can design the rule. The developers can design the rule and make it. We can forge these 3 NFTs, burn them into level 4 NFT. So that's the Nft Forging module. The dynamic loyalty points NFT is also allow developers to dynamically update the loyalty point balance in the NFT metadata. So that's a feature. You can literally turn these NFTs into membership card on chain. Perk Center, we will have a case studies later. Customized governance strategy, task-based giveaways, gated chat, target airdrop, Sybil-resistant token distribution. We have a partner called Hashflow. They are distributing their tokens next month. But what they have done on Galaxy in the past 5 months is they've been designing different campaigns for different group of users. Say, I reward my top traders. I reward traders who traded, say, more than 5 times in a month. I have different requirements, and I have different badges rewarded to these different groups of users. And now they're launching their tokens. They have a token mapping. Say, I'm going to reward 10 tokens for each of the badge A holders, 100 tokens to badge B holders. And if you hold more than 3 badges, you can get a bonus, a boost of 0.5 or 50%, 60% more tokens. That's the plan. They're going to launch their airdrop. So unlike the traditional airdrop, they require users to do some certain actions or already rewarded from this. They're only distributing token to these users who participated in their loyalty program. So yeah, like I say, the process of using Galaxy to build this kind of experience is very simple. For example, confirm the requirement. They just need to define this copywriting or their campaign ideas, and then create a new campaign in the dashboard, just like create a new blog post. And then upload the credential data source. It can be subgraph, static CSV files, or can be snapshot, governance history. You can just select from the dashboard and then upload the NFT design, start the campaign. That's it. Yeah, we like I say, we work with around 140 companies. They've been working with us using dashboards to release their own loyalty campaigns like this. Year in Finance case studies. This is one of the 2 case studies I bring to the deck today. So back in last year, they had a token called Ufi Token. It was a meme token. You can only get it by converting your Wi-Fi token. It's just a meme token, but packed by Wi-Fi. So they designed this 6 different badges. How it works is you have to trade. So you have to become a token holder in order to be eligible to get this. Well, yeah, how it works. Sorry, it doesn't work. Okay, so you have to become a token holder depending on the number of tokens you hold and depending on the time, how long you've been holding this token. You will get different number of mystery boxes. And then if you hold it longer, if you hold more, you will get more mystery boxes. Every time when you open a mystery box, you get one of the random NFTs here. And then say, I'm a big holder. I've been holding Ufi tokens for a while. Then I'll probably get 6. But every time when I open, I get a different one. So it encourages users to hold longer and hold more during this campaign period. And say I get just this simple campaign. Turns out it went very well. We saw 34% increase in terms of their token holders number within 72 hours after campaign launched. And also the Ufi supply increased by 7%. That means more than 7% of the Wi-Fi token converted into Ufi token. So the result is very significant. And yeah, and then that's the chart you can see. But that was already back in last year, July. So that's a case study for Year in Finance. Yeah, this is like Andre version, even though he's no longer working there, but at that time he was. That's the Andre version. That's a Bentech version of the Ufi NFT. But yeah, that's for Year in Finance. And the last one is the Shadowy Supercoder case study. So for this, we worked with 12 different partners to get sponsorship. A total, they offered over $315 million worth of prize pool. But basically, they're offering different benefits. For example, free trial, free 6-month subs, like that. And then the gift packs rewards, they're targeting 110,000 Ethereum addresses who have ever deployed at least one smart contract on Ethereum since the mainnet started and before August 1st. So that's like a targeted marketing campaign. How it works is we have so many different perks. Say Tenderly come in, offer 1 month developer pack, Quick Note offer discount pack for 6 months free, Parsec 3 months free, Gitcoin offer 50 GTC token, Taurus, Polygon offer 20,000 transaction free, gas fee compensation. They put everything in one package, and if you are eligible to be one of the smart contract developers, you receive this Shadowy Supercoder NFT, you will be eligible to get this perk. So that's a massive on-chain targeted marketing campaign, and each one of them, they receive a lot of new users sign up because they've been looking for developers, but it's impossible to find these developers and communicate to them. And I want to offer this to you guys. So it turns out it works very well. But yeah, that's about us. That's what all I want to say. I think we're running out of the time, but if you guys have any questions, just reach out to me. I'll be here for the next 10 to 20 minutes. Thank you.